Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So today we're gonna go swimming or go take a shower in some alligator infested waters. Yeah, you guys didn't see me taking a shower yesterday, so yeah, I put on back the same old shirt because maybe if I can I'll do some washing, but I never wanted to put on a fresh shirt going to the salt water because I'm gonna have to take the boat across. You guys get the idea. I'm gonna check on my car like I said in the last vlog, make sure that everything's okay with it. It's on another part of the island. And then I am just going to have that shower and then head back home. So let's see if that could be a little mini adventure. I hope everything goes well. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. The rest of my dinner, as you guys can see, being kept warm on the coals over there. So as I come back from my shower, hopefully I can charge a few things in my car, even just for a little bit. I'll do that, but I need to get another power bank for sure. But I should have enough juice to keep filming. Alright, definitely got all the valuables in one spot. Wow, this life jacket, PFD, personal flotation device, whatever you guys call it. It sure as hell makes you hot, but it does keep you safe, right? Because I ain't gonna lie, right now I'm super hot with it on. But I gotta do what I gotta do. No matter how strong you are as a swimmer, you have to make sure that you keep yourself safe, yeah? When water go up that nose and down that lungs, trust me, you're gonna trip out. Alright, let's do it this way. Oh, quick thing that I noticed about myself. Well, about anybody, the more you do something is the better you get. So when I came over here, I haven't turned the engine on my boat, but when I was coming over earlier, that first time that you guys saw me, yeah, I was doing way better with the boat. Like, it wasn't shutting off, you know, just learning more stuff about it and how to use the engine and, you know, all those stuff. It might sound simple and silly, but just anything in life you want to do. I know some of you guys want to be YouTubers and stuff like that, and some of you see me and say, oh, big up yourself, Wayne. I saw you yesterday when I went to go take that shower. Thanks for watching the channel. And for you, I do hope you start YouTube, bro. But as I was saying, a lot of persons see YouTubers and they want to be like them. Yeah, I'm trying to have a personal trash area because this glass is broke, so that's good. When I go over, I'll try to get a trash bag or something like that. Forgot to bring a trash bag with me. But anyway, the more you do anything is the better you're gonna get, so you just have to keep at it. Yeah, last night I anchored up my boat. I just gave it a quick little tie. Nothing special, to be honest. I was just like, yo, just in case the tides get very high, at least it won't just float right away. So easy, but I don't think this is the best tie. I gotta learn how to do that myself. Maybe I can link up David and ask him that. Big up yourself, lock and load, whether you're watching this video or not. This is my anchor. This is not really the designated tie off, but whatever. And honestly, my gut is telling me to leave this behind, but better instincts tell you to take it because it's also a safety instrument on every boat. So let's just do that really quick and pack it onto the boat. I know someone might be saying, oh, there's a quicker way to tie it, just wrap it around your arm, because I'm trying to show you guys as I film. Oh, let's do it this way. I did find something that I could use. to toss my little stuff in. Anything else I see around here, I'll take it up as well. Alright, so this could be my little garbage bag for the time being. I don't know what this is, if you guys know what it is. It came, I think it came with my motor. I know there's a tie off or something. I don't know. If you guys know, drop it in the comments. I have no clue what it is. Alright. Gotta watch any rocks. Yeah. Couldn't help that one. Come. Come on. Come. Look up. Up. Come. Come on, Vanilla. Sea is a little bit rough. Up. Steady her a bit. Big wave, big wave, big wave. Ride that wave. Let's kick off real quick before we hit the bank. Vanilla, paddle. Bye home. See you soon. Someone did say my boat looks like it's only good for lakes and rivers or whatever. I think it's rated to take like 8-foot waves or something like that. But if I don't have to go out too far with it, I'm not. Turn this girl around, drop her down, open up the gas line, open up the air line, open up some more. Choke seems about good. Oh no. Oh yeah, good. The kill switch, I don't even have it on me. I didn't take it out. That's why it's good to make sure you have your checks. But I told myself, I knew like if I'm going on the boat, I'm gonna always remember my life jacket. So I was like, you know what? Put it in the life jacket. That way, it's a win-win. I think I put it on the wrong hand. One thing I kind of noticed, especially when you just, whatever, I don't know, when you run the gas like that, lift it up a little bit. That normally helped. Oh, I hate pull string motors, bro. Oh. No, oh God. Alright, just getting warm. I'm about to run into that cliff. that cliff? That rock? Oh no. Get us out of here. Go. Woo! Woo! So excited! That was so freaking close, guys. All right, let's head to the next side. I know, a little bit of drama, but that's what we like, yeah? That is the beauty of life. Let's go, Vanilla. Woo! So excited! So I started. I didn't want to disembark here. Oh, wait. Oh, no. There's something wrong. So you must pay attention, Ibby. Let's get it. You don't knock your propeller. Yeah, gotta pay attention to these things. What was this? I got so excited just now. Hop off, Vanilla. Hop off, you just stopped. Oh my gosh. So much leg work. Let's head to the car. Both should be good here for a little bit. The people around here seem very good. They've been very kind to me thus far. All right, let's go, Vanilla. Alright guys, coolest thing ever. Just got over here. I don't know if you guys, for those who watch the vlogs really hard, you remember when me, Keanu, his girlfriend came here one day to have some fish? Yeah, I'm right beside the fisherman's spot right now, and he was just like, yo, he doesn't go anywhere in the night, and he's been keeping an eye on my car. I was just like, yo, you remember me from the... He's like, yeah, you remember the video, everything like that, blah, blah, blah. So it's just so funny. It's just so cool, like, whenever you treat people good, you know what I'm saying? I just helped him with his business, promoted it a bit, and, you know, yo, God never stops watching, man, let me tell you. Yo, crazy story. I went to try to get some ice to throw into my igloo, and then, of course, my car is having some, I believe, alternator issue. I hope it is, so we can just fix that and get on the move. Yo, it's crazy, yo. Alright, so got the car fixed, sorted out. To be quite honest, mechanics were really good, very informative, told me a bunch of stuff that I needed to sort out on the car. Is what it is. The boat, as you guys could see, is over there. And it's dark as hell. I don't know how I'm gonna get across. So I'm gonna either have to do some serious footing, or if I had my lantern, I'd have easily just jumped. Whatever. You guys will figure it out in the next clip. Alright, iPhone to the rescue. I'm gonna use this. And let's cast away. Okay, so I can't use the motor right now because I know there are fishing nets close by or whatever. So let's see how far I can take this. This is gonna be crazy. I hope I don't get lost at sea. But if it's the way that I go, remember guys, it was so exciting being your host. All right, quick update guys. It's starting to rain just a little bit, and I literally feel the currents pushing the boat, but I'm staying as close to shore as I can just to keep myself safe. And if I need to, I'll turn on the motor, but because of the fishermen and their nets and all that, I don't want to mess their stuff up, yeah? And I can't see where the hell they are. All right, this is getting a little bit ridiculous. I think I should be able to see where they might have left their nets. Make sure that I'm still in good distance and that stuff. Okay. All right, boat motor light. This is not it. Okay. Now is not the time to take 10, 20 cranks. Oh shoot, come on. Now is not the day. Stay calm, stay focused, simple. Easy money, easy money. One crank. Was that really one crank? Full motor? Was that really one crank, baby? Oh no. I said that a bit too early. Alright, let me focus on that and get us home safely. Of course, I got caught by a fishing net just now. Definitely got caught by a fishing net just now, but we're getting closer. Took us a little while, but we're getting there. Maybe another 15 minutes or so. All right. All right, boys and girls. We did it. Woo! We freaking did it. Like, I could not find, never again am I leaving my lantern in the evening parts when it comes on to going out, because you never know what could happen. You literally never know what could happen, because I could not find where I was. Luckily the rocks where I did, you guys can't see what I'm talking about. Anyway, luckily the rocks where I was doing the whole lobster thing, I saw those, so I knew exactly where I was. And then I remember in one of the videos right here where I said I was gonna make a rock as an entry point, saw the rock and I was like, all right, cool. All right, so I'm home. Let's see what's up. All right. As horrible as it was, I am thankful I had this phone light, because if not, it would have been a very horrible trek to get here, especially carrying ice and stuff like that. Yeah, I know some persons were a little bit worried, like, no, Soai, what are you doing, whatever. But as I said before, like on this trip, it tests mental fortitude. I've never done anything like that before in my life. I did it with some level of wisdom, because there was some stuff that I thought about in my head before I did it. And yeah, so now we have ice. I got my lantern. This lantern is really good, I ain't gonna lie. It's a very, very strong lantern. So now let me put this up really quick, and I guess No, you know what? I have to shower. Still have to go take that shower. Alright, so the cooler, it's still pretty cold in there, but it would not have made it through until lunchtime. That's the fact. So now we have a little top up, and maybe I can get something nice to drink. I did bring a soda just to heighten my spirits, you know, because like today was a very challenging day. I had to spend some cash I never wanted to spend on fixing the car. At first I was a bit nervous because I was just like, yo, am I gonna be stuck here all the way in Ochi? But nah, that worked out. I never wanted to have to stop my camping trip because of a dumb car. So everything, yeah. I don't know if you guys can really see me at all, but yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm just happy that I got in safely. Nothing too big, to be quite honest, but you know, anything could have happened. Yo, for the persons who've been watching my channel for a very long time or just started and you like the videos, please remember to hit the like button. Just liking in your head, you know, it's good when you can drop a like on the video. It does help us out big time. Not asking for money, nothing like that. Just asking for you, just show support. If you just don't like the video, and of course don't like the video. But anyway, I just popped 2 sodas into my igloo. You guys won't even understand like how something as basic as that, like, don't get me wrong, I'm not in a situation where like it's dire or anything like that, but just being here for 48 hours and just not even getting to shower twice a day or having air conditioning or whatever crazy creature comfort, like I am feeling it to an extent. Love it here, completely love it here. I'll stay here even longer if I can. But I put those sodas in the ice to chill a little bit, and that's gonna take me throughout the rest of the night just to boost my spirits some more. But I definitely have to go take a shower. I did a story time on my Instagram talking about how yesterday I had to bathe with dishwashing liquid. I got myself a freaking body wash, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, definitely gonna take that shower now, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the next video. I think I'll just spend one more day here, and then I will, yeah, I'll tell you guys what's up in the next video. Remember 3 things: love, nature, adaptation,